Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Thai chicken fried rice. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with one brown onion. Now we only need half for this recipe. And all we need to do with our onion is very finely dice it. Next we'll bring across one capsicum. In my case I'm just going to use a red capsicum. Take off the stem, cut it down the middle. You want to try and take all the seeds out. And with our capsicum, we just want to chop it up into pieces like so. Now it doesn't matter if you use red, green, yellow, whatever. Just like so. Now moving on just into a bowl, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs. And we just want to whisk that up until it's nice and pale. So guys, now just into a wok on a medium heat, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. Once your oil is hot, we're going to add in our egg straight in. Season with a pinch of salt. And we just want to move that egg around. Almost like we're creating a large thin omelette. Now just using a spatula, we're going to try to roll this up. Just like so, so it's almost like a crepe. And we'll turn our heat off at this stage. So we'll place our omelette on our chopping board like so. And we just want to very thinly chop that up into small pieces. So guys, now we're ready to cook all this together. Just in a container here, I've got 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice. I've cooked this yesterday, so it's nice and cold. If you are making this now, you can make the rice as you're making this. Basically, you want to cook about 1 cup of raw jasmine rice with about 1.5 cups of water. Make sure your rice has cooled down before you actually start to make the fried rice. Apart from that, I've also got 200 grams of diced chicken thigh here. You can use chicken breast if you prefer. That's totally up to you. Any cut will do. So let's move on to our wok now. Alright guys, so to a hot wok, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. And we're going to add our onion and capsicum straight in. Season with salt, pepper, 2 crushed garlic cloves, one teaspoon of fresh ginger, now we'll add our chicken straight in. So after a couple of minutes, your chicken should have browned. So at this point, we're going to add in our cooked jasmine rice and mix that through. So at this point, we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And we'll just toss all that through. Now after a couple of minutes, we'll add in our cooked egg and toss that through as well. Now we'll just let this cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, then we're ready to serve. Alright, so we're ready to serve now. Now as for garnish, I'm just going to keep it pretty simple. Just with some fresh cucumber, a wedge of lemon of course, and just some fresh mint. You can of course use coriander if you like, which is more traditionally used, but of course not everybody likes coriander. Personally I do, so don't worry about me. But guys, that's all there is to it. And that's how we make Thai chicken fried rice. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.